This video will guide you through the step-by-step process of installing and configuring RHosting RDP software on your server. Click Next to get started. Make sure all are checked. Click Next. Now click Install for .NET updation or installation and let the process finish. After installation is successful, click Close. Check I agree and click Install. Click Next Read and scroll down till the end. As well as check I agree. Click Next. Keep the address default and click Next. Click Install. Let the setup complete processes. Click OK. RHosting is checking license validity as default for security purpose. License is expired. Click Yes. License UUID APRAS. Click on Copy to Clipboard and send it to our support executive. And just for 1 minute, your license key is activated now. Click OK once, then close the window. Few shortcuts appear on desktop screen now. Open Main Window Application to go further. Just click OK, as default license is valid for 5 days. This is home page of RHosting. It contains server, license, running services information, as well as all created users, including admin. Now let's create a user for tutorial. Go to Settings then, Windows Tools, then double-click on User Accounts. Right-click Select New User option. Enter username and password details. These 2 details are mandatory, others are optional. Make sure that user cannot change password and password never expires checked. Click Create and Close. Your user has been created. Now right-click on the created user and go to Member option, click Add. Now go to Advanced, then Find Now, and select Remote Desktop Users in the search results. Now the user has been selected for remote desktop users. Click OK, click Apply, and again click OK. Let's go to App Assigning tab. Select Application button and browse to the application you want to assign to the user to remotely access. You can also edit display name on the client side and click Save. Now assign user for the selected application. Click Add User and type the username you created previously, or go to Advanced option and repeat the process by selecting on the user. You can view assigned applications and folders for selected users. Now let's assign folder to the same. Select Folder button and browse to the folder, or create the folder you want to assign to the user to remotely access and repeat the same process. Unlike application process, you cannot change display name for folders. Application and folder has been successfully assigned to the user. Now let's set up printer. Click on Install Printer. Click Yes. Click OK. Your printer has been installed successfully. Now you can view as well as remove printer. For now, we are skipping this part. This is a Manage Users tab. Now go to Homepage beside License Information. Click on View Details where you will see complete license details, including UUID, number of users, starting and end date. Now let's go to Web Service tab to configure Activate Web Access so that the RHosting software works seamlessly on all operating systems. Let's configure port number for HTML access. Select Manual option, enter the desired port number, and click Save. Click OK. Yes, then OK. Your configured data has been saved successfully. Now start the server and click OK. Use server is running successfully. Now you have two options to either stop or restart the server. Go to Homepage, and you can view service status as well as web service status is running. Now add client. Client is nothing but a user. You created previously. This process is to create the client-side application to remotely access the server through our host client app. Click Add Client. These are all options, are optional. Then click Next. Select local devices according to your requirements. For universal printer, make sure this option is selected. Click Next. In general, just check Auto Fill option in the upper right corner. Server address and port number is auto-fetched. In the login section, either you can select the user for a particular app or keep it default for all users to access from the single app. You can select client type according to your preferences. Click Generate Client. Click Yes. Select the path where you want to save client app. After data successfully saved, click OK. Now close the main window and you can see the client app appeared on the desktop screen.